Properties of sets. There are three properties of sets, first of which is commutative property. There are two forms of commutative property of sets. First, commutative property of union of sets, and second, commutative property of intersection of sets. In other words, we can say commutative property states that changing the order of sets will not change the answer. This is same as we write 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. Answer for both will be 3. So in commutative property, whether we write A union B or B union A, this is same. And whether we write A intersection B or B intersection A, the answer for both will be equal. Second property of sets is associative property. It can be of both union or intersection. Now, associative property states that while performing operations on three sets, changing the sequence in which the operations are performed does not change our answer. This is same as we write 1 plus 2 plus 3 and solve 2 plus 3 first and add 1 later. This will also give answer 6. Or we write 1 plus 2 plus 3 and solve 1 plus 2 first and add 3 later in the answer. This will also give 6. So, changing the sequence in which operations are performed will not change our answer. Third property of sets is distributive property, which also have two forms. First is union over intersection and second is intersection over union. Now first step toward this property is to expand it. Now you can see there are two sides, first left hand side and second right hand side. Now see this right hand side is the expanded form of what is written on left hand side. See example, 5 multiplied by 6 plus 2 in the bracket. जब हम इसको expand करेंगे, when we will expand this, we will expand this in this form. 5 multiplied by 6 separately, that means this 5 multiplied by whole bracket, so and plus sign in between. Then we will separately multiply 5 by 2. इसको अलग अलग तरीके से भी सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. 6 plus 2 is 8 multiplied by 5 here, and here separately we have multiplied 5 multiplied by 6 and 5 multiplied by 2. So 5 by 6 is 30 and 5 by 2 is 10. But the answer for both of them, 5 by 8 is also 40 and 30 plus 10 is also 40. So there is no difference on our answer. And similar is the case with the intersection over union. Right hand side is the expanded form of what's written on left hand side. See the example. The difference in both the examples is only of the signs of plus and minus. In this case also answer is same.